guys, it's Shelby, otherwise known as Shelbizleee here on YouTube, and today I'm really excited to make this video for you guys because I'm just excited to do this in general. So first, let me tell you guys, I just got back from being out of town for almost 2 weeks. I haven't seen Madison in almost 2 weeks. I got home last night, and today, before she gets home, I'm planning to do a little date night for us just to spend some time together because we're going through some things with my family and her family. They're both going through some hard times right now. So I wanted to do something nice for her, and so I partnered up with Thrive Market to make this video for you guys. I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can have a sustainable and or low waste, zero waste date night. So if you're interested in that, make sure you stay tuned. But like I said, real quick, this video is in partnership with Thrive Market, one of my favorite sponsors here on my channel, because they are a zero waste company where you can buy all sorts of goodies like sustainable food, sustainable swaps, like zero waste swaps, and you can also now buy sustainable wine, which is what I'm really excited to take advantage of for this video for Madison to have a romantic little date night. So let's go ahead and get into it. So this whole idea started when I got home and saw my package from Thrive Market with 2 wine bottles inside. So I sat down, opened it. The entire package was plastic free, which is one of the reasons I love Thrive Market. They're also carbon neutral, so it doesn't really get any better than that. I went to the thrift store because wine glasses are something very easy to find secondhand. So once I had those, I could go ahead and get started. And I wanted to make sure I break down every part of the wine bottle and how you can recycle it. So starting with this little piece of aluminum, smaller pieces of aluminum like this can be put inside larger pieces to ensure that they get recycled. That's the best tip on that. Then we went ahead and got to popping the corks out of the bottle, or I shouldn't say we because I left that up to Madison, but I wanted to take this opportunity to tell you guys about Thrive's new wine program. So all of the wines are either organic or sustainably farmed, and they come from small and mid-sized producers, and they've been thoughtfully curated by master sommeliers, which is people who know a lot about wine. I don't know a lot about wine. I can just tell you when I like the taste of it or when I don't. So the grapes are grown without any use of pesticides. There's no sugar added in the winemaking process. And their bottles start as low as $12 a bottle. I know the reusing or recycling of a wine bottle is pretty obvious, but maybe the cork is not as obvious about how to recycle it. So I personally know that Whole Foods has a place where you can take your wine corks and leave them, and they recycle them. They'll turn them into all sort of cool things, for instance, like yoga mats. It's a really cool thing that they do. And of course, because this video is in partnership with Thrive Market, you guys are going to get an extra 25% off of their already low prices for such sustainable and healthy foods and wines, of course. So check that out. The link will be in the description. All you have to do is go there, claim anything you want, because we're going to be talking about some other great zero waste options for date night throughout the rest of this video. But first, I wanted to get Madison's first reaction to the wine. So
it's really good. I mean, I'm not crazy about different wines, but this one has a pretty nice flavor. I would drink it again.
So up next is our favorite snack, and yes, I am having myself a little Olivia Pope moment. We're going to be having popcorn with wine. So the popcorn we get from bulk. The vegan butter we get from Thrive Market. It comes in a glass jar with a metal lid, so that is a super sustainable option. I love, love, love this stuff. And then I will also put that into my vintage bowl, which you'll see in a second. I thrifted it as well. So just put some of that butter in the pan, and then literally you get to pop it. It's so cool. I actually didn't know for a long time that you could make popcorn this way, and then I felt kind of dumb because this is like the traditional way of making it, but we don't have a microwave, so we buy our popcorn in bulk. We use that butter from Thrive Market, and then we'll just kind of put like some salt or dulse or even like Cajun seasoning on top, and it's the bomb. So Thrive Market makes everything a lot more affordable for us, which is why we love it, and we just have a chill night at home with the wine and the popcorn, but we will also kind of choose a movie to watch. So that's what we did this night. I actually did a little study back in college about which one is more energy efficient or more carbon neutral, to rent a DVD or to watch movies on your laptop. And which one do you think it is, guys? I want to know in the comments before I reveal it, which I will in a little bit. But what do you think is better? DVDs or streaming things? I also found these vegan chocolates through Thrive Market. They are fair trade, and they also come in completely compostable packaging. I have never seen another candy bar that had completely compostable packaging, so I was thrilled to find this. They come in a ton of different flavors, and they even have one that has toasted coconut flakes in it, and I have been waiting for that one to restock on Thrive Market, so if you get it, I'm jealous. So remember what we were saying about whether it's more sustainable to rent a DVD or to stream. Well, it turns out because of the transportation in the sector of moving DVDs around, it's actually more environmentally friendly, more carbon neutral to stream movies on your laptop. And I definitely didn't think that the first time I heard it, but that is indeed the truth. So that's kind of what we did all night is we watched Shane Dawson's series. We waited until the series was completely done to start binging it. So we watched some of Shane Dawson, enjoyed our plastic-free chocolate, our bulk popcorn, and our sustainable wine. So that's all I wanted to share with you guys. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you got some ideas of how to have your own zero waste date night. It's a great thing to do when Halloween is coming up, I think, because I don't really celebrate Halloween. I'm going to do a little bit of Halloween videos coming up later this week, and I'll do some blog posts about it and some things on my mailing list for you guys who have been asking for it. But I personally don't celebrate Halloween, but if you are looking for some vegan, ethical, and zero waste candy, I mean, the chocolates from Thrive Market are top notch. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Remember, until next time, you cannot do all the good that the world needs, but the world needs all the good that you can do. Bye guys.